Have you ever wondered about the cascading effects of a single natural disaster? How it ripples through communities, nations, even continents, leaving a trail of devastation in its wake? Welcome to the disquieting reality of Cyclone Hidaya. Our story begins in East Africa, where Kenya and Tanzania braced themselves for the impending storm. This came on the heels of relentless floods that had already claimed close to 400 lives and displaced tens of thousands. The government of Kenya took the step of ordering mandatory evacuations near dams and water reservoirs in 33 counties. The cyclone, poised to make landfall in Tanzania, was set to bring heavy rainfall to Kenya, exacerbating the existing flood crisis. The El Niño weather pattern, a recurring climate phenomenon, had intensified the rains, causing significant impacts on both countries. The disaster not only left a human toll, but also affected key sectors like tourism. Rescue operations were launched for stranded individuals, underscoring the severity of the situation. The response to this calamity was multifaceted. The government deployed military forces and international organizations mobilized to aid the affected areas. However, criticism arose regarding the level of preparedness and the effectiveness of the response efforts. This disaster, like many others, underscored the interconnected nature of such events and the importance of addressing their root causes. The United Nations emphasizes this interconnectedness in their reports, highlighting that disasters are not isolated events. They impact each other globally, and their effects can be compounded. The need of the hour is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions to mitigate climate change impacts. Superficial solutions are deemed ineffective. Comprehensive approaches to prevent and manage disasters effectively are urgently needed. Relief efforts are ongoing. Organizations like UNICEF have mobilized to provide aid in the aftermath of similar disasters, like Cyclone Freddy, which devastated Mozambique and Malawi. They distribute supplies, address risks of waterborne diseases, and focus on building climate resilience in affected areas. In the wake of Cyclone Hidaya, the world has an opportunity to learn and adapt. The storm may have passed, but the recovery is just beginning. It's a time for solidarity, a time for action. Encourage your governments, local organizations, and international bodies to contribute to these relief efforts. Because when we stand together, we can weather any storm.